Hello, welcome to the set of videos, 6 science-backed ways top grades CXC. Yes, 6 science-backed ways to get top grades at CXC. You'll learn more from worked examples in your textbook with these 6 surefire ways to master hard math problems. Now the thing to note is, as one outstanding educator observed, learning how to learn is the critically most important skill of the 21st century. So in this set of videos, you will acquire the skill of learning. Parents and teachers assume that students naturally know how to learn, but that is not true. Students must be taught how to learn. Every day, each and every one of us is bombarded by lots and lots of information, tons and tons of information. If we do not know how to process that information, we will not benefit from that information. And because of the existence of the internet, knowledge is available at your fingertips at the click of a mouse. Ignorance is not an option. If you want to find out something, all you need to do is Google it. Yes, Google it. Many students ask themselves, why do I need a teacher when I have Google? If you want to learn about anything on this planet, from how to bake bread or how to solve complex math problems, you can Google it and find tons of videos on YouTube showing you how to do exactly that. So in this set of videos, you learn how to solve CXC math problems effectively through colorful images, interactions, interactive quizzes, and much, much more. You'll see, hear, and do the exercises, and so retain more information. You'll be able to crack the learning code for mathematics. Now, these are science-based learning methods. What do we mean by that? It means that scientists have studied the methods students have used around the world. In the United States, in Britain, in Europe, many scientists and educators, cognitive psychologists and others have conducted thousands of classroom tests with students, real world students, and have found some of the more effective ways for studying, for them to get top grades in their subjects, any subject. So you are lucky now, this information is now being made available to you, so you can also use and benefit from the research of the scientists and apply these surefire ways to learn faster and easier. Enjoy.